Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a really nice Ducati 848 EVO Corse Special Edition that I want to show you. Really nice bike, very well taken care of. This is a 2012 model. The sport bike riders would be able to tell me a few things about this, but I'll try to tell you as much as I know about it. It's got a 849cc liquid-cooled L-twin with a 6-speed transmission, inverted front forks, Brembo brakes with it's got the Ducati traction control, quick shift technology, puts out about 140 horsepower, I think at 10,500 RPMs. Single-sided swing arm makes it easy to change the rear tire if need be. Not sure what this brace is right here, if that's a factory brace or not, but it's got some screw holes for whatever, just not real sure about that. Got Olin's rear shock, gas shock. In really nice shape. I think I saw a couple of things. I'm gonna try to remember where it was. Yeah, here's one right here. On the front fender, it's got a little scratch right there. And it seems like there was something else that I wanted to point out to you. Not quite as drastic as that. Oh, I know what it was. It was on that brace over on this side. You can see it's got some, looks like the paint's kind of flaking off of there a little bit. Fire it off and let you listen to it. It's got a pretty cool digital dash up here. The bike's got 5,220 miles. We got another bike over there right now getting ready to leave. I don't know if you can hear this Ducati yet. Looks pretty sweet the way the exhaust comes out under the tailpiece. Quick revving bike. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. I didn't see any kind of indication down here that it had ever seen any sideways action. Down here where the shifter is, there's a little spot. Just a little spot right under there. Looks like that would just be classified as normal wear. There's a little, looks like a little scratch right here. This side looks good as well. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.